Hello, welcome back to the Bucket of Awesomeness. My name's Phil, of course, and welcome back to my Pokemon unboxings. Now, if you've been following the channel recently for the past few months, you'll know exactly what's coming up here because we've got our next Pokemon Mythical Collection box. This month is Darkrai. So let's just crack into it. You don't need to see any of the gump. You've seen it all before. So let's just crack straight into this thing. Oop. A little tricky down the side here, but we've got it. Again, not got the knife with me. I usually bring it down, not today. But we don't need it, we've got straight in there. There we go. And you know the drill inside here. So, first up, we've got the lovely pin. This month is really cool, actually. I really like Darkrai, it's one of my favourite Pokemon. And actually, it's one of my friend Robin's, it's one of his favourite Pokemon as well. So he would really like this set, actually. So if you're out there watching Robin, you know what to do. You should go get this set, because it is gorgeous. Now, next up we have the promo card as usual, and this month is absolutely beautiful. Come on, focus up there. I mean, all the different colours in there, and that design, come on, focus up. That design is absolutely stunning. It's one of the better artworks we've had, and all these full art promos have been phenomenal, but this I absolutely adore. And of course, we got our tick boosters. Now, we've still got plenty of cards to pull, so all we're hoping for today, Charizard EX would be nice. Blastoise and Venusaur X will also be nice, or that full art Zapdos that I'm after. Right, let's just crack into the first one, shall we? Into the Venusaur pack up first. Okay, card trick, 2 from the back. Right then. Come on, focus up here, focus up. Silly camera, come on. Right, we've got Maintenance. Metapod. Got this Fire Energy. Geodude, Tangela, sorry if you can hear people in the background, Magikarp, ooh, we've got a reverse holo Cloyster there, we've got a Altaria from Radiant Collection, and our rare is a holo Gengar. That is very nice, I love that artwork, that's beautiful, and we've got a Swablu there. Now I really like this Gengar, that's really cool. I think this was from, which was it? Might have been Breakpoint? I can't remember which one was from originally, but it's a beautiful bit of artwork. And now onto the Pikachu pack. So again, hopefully we'll pull something else to go along with that lovely holo Gengar. Got to break it open. 2 from the back. Okay, so you got Pokemon Center Lady, Cloyster, Magikarp, Ponyta, Machop. I don't know if we pull the Machop. Yep, that's really nice artwork. You can see Geodude hiding in the background there. You got a Lightning Energy, a reverse Evosoda. Ooh, a nice Meowstic from Radiant Collection. I haven't seen this card before. That's really nice. Oh! And we pulled the Charizard EX I was after. Excellent. Radiant Collection, we've got a Raichu, but oh, that is so cool. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, I love this card. I mean, I love the artwork on this, because basically what they've done is they've taken the base set artwork and reprinted it and reimagined it in this Charizard EX form. Oh, this is so cool. So just to recap, we've got the full art promo card that you get with this set, which is, if you like Darkrai, Robin, you know what to do. If you like this, if you like Darkrai, get this set, because this full art promo is absolutely gorgeous. We pulled the holo Gengar, which I really like, and then we pulled the Charizard EX. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Until next time, goodbye! Thank you for watching that video, I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, click the video on the screen now, or head over to our channel and check out our other videos and playlists. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, goodbye!